Hello guys, welcome back to Panda Cheeks, and today I'm at Lowe's and we're looking for our new house. Maybe we're gonna be moving in a while. So here we go. Ow. This one has. So this. Oh. So it tells you when your stuff expires. Where is that? Oh, here it is. New. This is what it looks like on the inside of the fridge. But it looks very nice. I like how that is. Okay, so
this one is a good price too. It's on sale right now.
that's today. So food list, and it tells you when things expire. So like your Kraft, 5 days old, that's already old, so you're gonna take that out and go throw it away and stuff. No. It tells you your expiration date. Does it? No, I don't think so. So your beans have 339 days left, and your cereal has 154 days left. So now we're gonna go. Here we go. So you knock this twice. Yeah, we go. So it tells you all your juices and stuff like that. But look at this. And then open it regularly. There you go. That is nice. And then just open it regularly. Yee! That's nice. Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. And then it has your regular thing in there and stuff. There you go. Let's pull that one. I'm obsessed with this too much. Got these nice dryers and washers too. Some people that live in England, they have both of these up. Both of them. This is all we're getting, and I can't push that because my arm hurts. Woo! See you guys later. Bye.